Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and access System and Updates. Following that, choose Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and Themes. Now you can click on Gallery section or Yours and tap on any keyboard you want. In my case, this one. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by choosing Custom section. Now click on Start, select Add Image, and tap on one of those photos, select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, in my case, Downloads. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and click on Done at the top right corner. After that, manage key borders and symbols thanks to those two switchers and check out Preview below. In order to save your theme, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, click on this little pen icon and change whatever you wish to. Then tap on Save again. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to delete your theme, go into the same custom theme settings, set up any other keyboard first, hold the one that you wish to delete, tap on Delete in the pop-up, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!